Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And now we have talked about the multiplication by t. We have not talked about the division by t, like the division of a function of t by t. So now if we have 1 over t times f of t, or f of t divided by t, the Laplace transform is going to be equals to the integration from s to infinity of f of s ds, given that the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s. So first of all, we can be given a question like sine t over t in this particular manner. This means we are going to integrate it once, and we can also be given a question like 1 minus cos 2t over t squared. It means we are going to integrate it twice. So the amount of times that is divided by t is the amount of times you are going to integrate it, just the same way that multiplication by t is done. So now let's move on. Let's move on and try to solve something like this, like sin t over t. The first thing that we do is our Laplace of sine t is equal to what? 1 over s squared plus 1 squared, which is 1 over s squared plus 1. And then that means the Laplace of sine t over t is equal to the integration from infinity to 0 of 1 over s squared plus from infinity to s, and from s to infinity of 1 over s squared plus 1. The s, let us not forget our the s value here. So now for those that are good at integration, some people might want to try to use sub, but use sub would not actually work here. We are going to have to use trig sub. A trig sub that is going to actually work in this scenario. So well, if we have something like, now let's talk about trig sub a little bit. We have something like 1 over x squared plus a squared. The trig sum of this is equals to 1 over a times arctan of x over a. Now this is what the arctan is. This is how arctan works. So if we integrate this, we are going to be having 1 over 1, which is still 1, that is equals to arctan of s over 1, which is arctan of s from infinity to s. So this is what it looks like. So now let us continue with this. We are going to, if we input our values, we are going to have arctan of infinity minus arctan of s, and arctan of infinity is equal to pi over 2, that is 90 degrees. So we have this is equal to pi over 2 minus arctan of s. So now you might actually decide to leave your answer in this particular way and say you want to leave your answer in this way. It might be marked or whatever, but there is also a simpler way that you can actually try to summarize this, which is the arctan of a plus the arctan of a plus arctan of b is equal to pi over 2, given that a times b, that is if a times b is equal to 1. So since this is a trigonometric law, so since we know this and we have pi over 2, we have arctan of this. So this means that arctan of b is equals to pi over 2 minus arctan of a. Looking at something like we have arctan of 2 minus arctan of a. So now what is our b and our a? We can just say here that our b is equals to 1 over a in this particular sense. So whatever we have as our a, we are going to do 1 over whatever is here. So therefore we can say that this is equals to arctan of 1 over s. So now we have arctan of 1 over s, and we can put it into cot form, which is cot cot of s. So this will be our final answer. If we have something like this,